Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's all-metal heavy-duty dryer hookup kit. The expected installation time should be approximately 15 minutes, and the tools required are a flathead screwdriver or 5/16 nut driver. The first step is to stretch the duct to the required length that will connect your dryer to the vent duct. We recommend using 2 people to achieve the maximum length of 8 feet by carefully pulling each end of the duct while slightly twisting it counterclockwise. As the elbows are already attached, we advise holding the duct with 2 hands to ensure the elbows do not detach while stretching the duct. Now, simply slide the worm drive clamps onto each elbow. Fasten one end to the dryer exhaust port. As the elbows connected to the duct are adjustable, swivel the elbow to the appropriate angle and the other to the duct system you're connecting to. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.